What's your name?
My name is Baho.
How old are you?
I'm 12.
Very good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, can you tell me what is the date today?
Mm,
It's
7.
day of,
7
day of
day of month,
May
May
2024.
2024.
And today is
Today is Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay, question number 1. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is
Are
my
What are
hobby
your
are
are
football,
playing
playing football and playing kite,
flying.
flying kite.
Number 2, what are the benefits of your hobbies? Okay, what are the benefits of your hobbies?
Lazy, right?
Benefits. Uh,
It's make my body strong and good for my health.
yeah, it's good for your health. Okay, number 3. Okay, very good. And question number 3, what are the hobbies that you don't like?
I
Why?
don't like playing. I like playing basketball and baseball
Why? Because
because it's so boring
and can you give me another
and
boring and is it hard? Is it
hard.
okay? Question number 4. Do you like gardening? Why?
I don't like gardening
Okay, why?
because it's make me tired.
Okay, it makes you tired. Okay, question number 5. What are the benefits of gardening?
It's, have everyone read
Or it enhance your
enhance
knowledge? Okay, question number 6. What are the things that you want to bring when you go to the park? Why? What? Okay, I will repeat the question. What are the things that you want to bring when you go to the park? Why? What are the things that you want to bring? What are the things that you want to bring when you go to the yeah. Okay, ready? Question number 6. What are the things that you want to bring when you go to the park? What?
I want to bring
I want to bring
a bicycle
bicycle
and ball
and ball because
I want to cycling and play football.
I want to go cycling and play football. Question number 7. What are the outdoor activities that you want to do when you go to the park? Why? Outdoor activities. What are the outdoor activities that what are the outdoor activities that you want to do when you go to the park? Boating, fishing, boating.
Uh,
Yeah,
Fishing, boating, and play football.
playing football because
Make my body strong.
okay, question number 8. What is your number 1 favorite sport? Why?
It's football because make your body strong.
Or can you give anything else? Any reason? Like is it popular? Is it
It is popular and
sport in
popular
it's
sport.
a popular sport. Okay, can you give me anything else? What is your reason? Why it is your number 1 favorite sport? Is it famous? Is it give another
It
reason?
is famous
It's
popular,
famous and popular in
and
my
in my
country.
country.
Okay. Yeah, okay, kasi it is. Okay, question number 9. Do you want to go to the park with your family? Do you want to go to the park with your family?
Just I want
Why? What? Because
because it's so funny to
it's fun.
it's fun and
fun, and what are the things that
Happy.
okay. Number 10. Okay, last question. Who is the person or who are the people that you like to invite when you go to the park? Who is the person or who are the people that you like to invite when you go to the park? Why?
I want go to the park with my friend because I we playing football.
The name of your friend is we.
We playing football.
I want to invite we to go to the park to play.
We going to the park
To
to
play
playing football
we
together
together. Or
and
to play football with me.
and we together.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You did your best on your speaking test. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.